We're here for another exciting edition of your favorite TV educational program, Work It Out. It is coming to you on a network service of the Nigerian Television Authority, the NTA. My name is Israel Efe-Robo, and every week on this program we bring students from across the country to showcase their skills in mathematics. And today, it is no different. We have them in the studios and they will be showing us just how good they are in mathematics. If you think you are also a really bright kid out there and you want to be on this program, go ahead and get across to us here at NTA ETV in Tedosho Yaba, Lagos, Nigeria. By the way, if you feel you want to see all our past shows on Work It Out, it's up on YouTube at NTA ETV. Let's now meet our contestant on today's edition of the program, Work It Out. Contestants A.
My name is Ayobisi Abdurraouf. I'm in GSS2.
Welcome. Contestants B.
My name is Okushuku Precious. I'm in GS3.
Welcome. And contestant C.
My name is Aika Ebube and I am in GS3B.
Welcome. And contestant D.
My name is Shita Aisha. I am in GSS2.
Let's meet our quiz master Bukola. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Contestants, you are welcome once again. There are 3 stages in the competition, stage 1, 2, and 3. For the first stage, you have only 5 seconds to answer the question. Second stage, you have 10 seconds. And the final stage, you have 15 seconds. That's if you work hard enough to get to the final stage. All right? And then you also have the opportunity to take bonus questions. And that will earn you 2 extra points.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
we ready?
Yes.
Okay, contestant A.
Number 7.
Number 7. Express 85,000 in the standard form.
It's 0.5 times 10 raised to 3.
It's 5,000 in the standard form. So your time is up. Yes, contestant B. Just sit down. Just sit.
85 times 10 raised to power 4.
Not 85. C. Yes.
8.5 times 10 raised to power 4.
That's correct. That's a bonus to contestant C. B.
Number 2.
Question 2. If P equals to 7, what is P raised to power 2 plus 100?
149.
That's correct. C, your question.
Number 8.
Add up 700, 20, and 80.
800.
That's correct. D,
Number 5.
question 5. What is the mode of these numbers? 2, 1, 3, 3, 3 again, 4, 4, 4, and 3.
3.
3 is the mode. That's correct. Contestant A, I'm back to you.
Number 9.
What is the value of 6 in 6,842? Yes.
10 of 1,000.
Sorry?
10 of 1,000.
No. The time is up. Yes, B?
1000.
6. Yes, C?
6,000.
6,000. 6,000. Thank you very much. That's another bonus for C. B, your question.
Number 1.
Divide 36 by 6.
6.
That's correct. C,
Number 10.
question 10. Factorize this expression. 16 CK minus 4K.
4K
Speak up.
4K bracket open.
Yeah.
4K bracket open 4C minus K bracket close.
Not K.
Close
It's
bracket.
4K, open bracket, 4C minus 1. Okay, contestant D.
12.
12. Subtract 200 from 280.
80.
Sorry?
80.
80 is correct. Back to you, contestant A.
Number 6.
If x over 3 equals to 5, what is the value of x?
15.
15 is correct. Contestant B.
Number 11.
What are the first two even numbers between 41 and 53?
43 and 45.
The first two even numbers. The time is up. Contestant A.
42 and 44.
That's correct. 42 and 44. That's a bonus for contestant A. See your question.
Number 13.
What is the total number of students if there are 260 boys and 300 girls in a mixed school?
560 students.
That's correct. And the last question for stage 1 goes to you, contestant D. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Number 3.
A line that divides a circle into 2 is called.
A diameter.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of the first stage of the competition. A round of applause for the contestants.
Thank you. And that was the first round here on Work It Out on today's edition. After the first round, this is what we found out. Contestant A came out with 7 points. Contestant B came out with 12 points. Contestant C came out with 21 points. And contestant D came out with 17 points. As always here on Work It Out, one person needs to leave at this stage. And that person has to do with contestant A. So, for the next round, we have 3 contestants, and they will slug it out to see who will go straight to the finale right here on Work It Out. Join us again after the break. Stay tuned.
This is Work It Out. We're in the second stage. So if you are just joining us, I'm sure you are taking your pen and paper to work it out with us. For this stage, you have 10 seconds to answer your questions. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Contestant A. Your question.
Number 6.
There are 140 rows of chairs in an art theater. If each row has 100 chairs, how many chairs are there altogether?
240 chairs.
140 rows of chairs, and each row has 100 chairs. How many chairs are there?
14,000.
14,000, that's correct. 14,000. Contestant B.
Number 1.
If there are 300 boys and 120 girls in a school, what is the total number of students in that school?
420.
That's correct. C.
Number 2.
Number 2. In a class, there are 30 boys and 2 girls. If a student is chosen at random, what is the probability that she is a girl?
One over 15.
Sorry?
1 over 15.
No. Not 1 over 15. 30 boys and 2 girls.
15.
No. Yes, bonus contestant A.
1/16.
1/16. That's correct. Back to you now, contestant A.
Number 8.
Question A. A man spends 3/7 of his money on food and 1/2 of the remainder on rent. What fraction of his money is left?
Minus 1/14.
It's 2/7. 2/7. Your question B.
Number 4.
Question 4. What is the difference between 234 and 427? Yes.
193.
193. Speak up now.
193.
193. That's correct. See your question.
Number 3.
Multiply 7PQ by 4Q.
PQ square.
That's correct. We're in the last round of
Number-
questions for stage 2. Okay? Yes, contestant A.
Number 9.
Number 9. Add the square of 8 to the square of 9. The square of 8 plus the square of 9.
145.
That's correct. Contestant B.
Number 7.
Number 7. What is the difference between the square root of 144 and the square root of 81?
3.
3 is correct. The last question for stage 2 goes to you, contestant C. Make X the subject of this formula. P equals to 2, open bracket, X plus B, close bracket.
X is equals to P over 2 plus B.
No. X equals to P minus 2B over 2. That brings us to the end of the second stage of the competition.
It is always a pleasure to see young minds struggling it out and slugging it out and show that they become the very best here on Work It Out. What a show we've had so far. But that was the second round. Let's find out who goes straight to the finale to go home with our star prize. After the second round, contestant A came out with 33 points. A round of applause. Thank you. Contestant B came out with 32 points. Very close, very close. And contestant C came out with 17 points. But I'd like to encourage contestant C, better luck next time. You know you can do it, right? Right? So better luck next time. I hope to see you here again soon. Okay? Stay with us here and Work It Out as we go for a break. When we return, we find out who walks away with our star prize right here on Work It Out.
NTA Educational Television, promoting learning.
This is the final stage of our competition today. Contestants A and contestant B, I'm sure you are ready. You have 15 seconds to answer your questions now. Good luck. And your questions for this stage are from 1 to 8. Over to you, contestant A.
Number 8.
8. Some eggs were bought for 10 naira and sold for 12 naira. Find the percentage profit or loss.
₦20.
Percentage.
20%.
That's correct. 20%. Contestant B.
Number 5.
Question 5. Find the value of 1 over the square root of 25 minus 1 over the square root of 36.
One over 30.
That's correct. 1 over 30. A.
7.
Which of the following shapes does not belong to the group? Cone, cylinder, cuboid, and triangle. Which one of them is odd?
Triangle.
Can you tell us why?
Because it starts with letter T.
Oh, yes, triangle is the odd one out. Triangle is a plane shape. The others are solid shapes. A round of applause for him, please. Okay. Contestant B.
Number 3.
Number 3. Given that y over 5 equals to 20 over 25, find the value of y.
4.
4 is correct. Y is equal to 4. Back to you, contestant A, and this is the last round of questions for the final stage.
Number 1.
Number 1. A meeting started at 10:35 a.m. and ended at 2:16 p.m. the same day. How long was the meeting?
$12.51.
10:35 a.m. to 2:16 p.m. Yes, contestant B?
4 hours, 9 minutes.
It's 3 hours, 41 minutes. All right. The last question, contestant B.
Number 6.
Yeah. Increase 6,000 naira by 20%.
$1,200.
You are increasing 6,000 naira by 20%. So that answer you gave me is not correct. Your time is up. Yes, bonus contestant A.
7,200.
7,200 naira. That's correct. And that's a bonus for contestant A. And that brings us to the end of the third and the final stage of our competition today. A round of applause for the contestants.
So we've been running this show for a very, very, very long time. And sometimes we get it this close into not getting a winner because they come here and they give us their very best. And that's exactly what we have witnessed today on Work It Out. Before we give you the winner, let's tell you that contestant A, after the third and final round, came out with 45 points. And contestant B, after the third and final round, came out with 42 points.
Wow.
Now you see what I mean. Stay here with us after this very short break here on Work It Out. We will bring you our winners and indeed present our star prize. Join us again. Yes, indeed. After the third and final round, here is your winner. Indeed, they are all winners, but what we have to give our star prize to one student today on Work It Out. And we'll get you to that state in just a moment. But just in case you're thinking, I can do better than that, I can solve mathematics so well. Well, we have a chance for you. Go ahead and get across to us here on NTA ETV. We are located here in Yaba Tedosho in Lagos, Nigeria. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, get across to us and we will get you on this platform so you can showcase your skills and talents and work it out. If you're also hoping to catch up on all our past editions of the program, oh well, we have great news for you. It's up on YouTube. Just go straight at NTA ETV and you can watch all our past editions of the program. A round of applause for that. And now, let's bring you our winners in the order that they have performed. In position number 4, we have got Ayobisi Abdul Rauf. A round of applause for him. Our third position today on Work It Out goes to Okuchuku Precious. Congratulations, Precious.
Congratulations.
And at number 2 position today on the program, Shitu Aisha. Congratulations. She gave it a good fight. She almost clinched it. But better luck next time. And our star prize winner for today, he came in bold, he came in strong, he came in full of confidence, and he clinched it. Ayika Ebube. Congratulations to you, Ebube. All right. A round of applause for him again. Yes. It was indeed a great show. We love the competition, and indeed, this is what Work It Out is all about. How good was that?
Excellent. Excellent performance.
It was so good.
Yeah.
You know, while some were rooting for the guy, some others were rooting for the lady.
Wow, that's true. That's true.
But in the end, we had just one winner. But indeed, we're all winners indeed. If you're watching at home, you can be a part of this program. Get across to us here on NTA ETV, and you may just be on this platform. Don't forget also that you can catch up all our past shows on YouTube. It is at NTA ETV. What more do I have to say? It's up on YouTube. My name is Israel Eferobo, and from me and my quiz master Bukola, we are out that way. Bye for now.